Got the truck on the lift. Tires are off, you'll see those in a sec. I also went over all the wheel wells with just some semi-gloss black coating. I touched up a couple of these little hinges with some white paint. And here's the rear wheel well on this side. A couple of the hinges in the back went over. Also went over this heat shield real quick, because you can kind of see in the back. So side wheel well again. This was pretty bad. So if I can make it look decent from a little bit of a ways away. Also went over the battery box. This was really bad. Just touched it up, make it look a little more presentable. Other wheel well. These little steering bushings in, so we'll see if that fixes the shake. Swap to these bad boys. Also, quick little underside shot. Underside's in great shape. It's been coated at some point, like a lot of them are, but no rust underneath, so that's good at least. Also looks like the engine's pretty dry, somewhat dry. Didn't leak in my shop overnight, so oh my gosh. Finished project. Toolbox or storage box. Next task, worn shifter bushings. Shifter bushings installed. Way better. Much better. Oh yeah, much better. Here's the semi-finished product after some touch-ups. The new tires on. Mounted the little box. Nice and sturdy. The battery cover on. Little exhaust cover thing, whatever you want to call it. Turned out really nice.